everyone, welcome back to Makeup Obsessions YouTube channel. My name is Rachael aka Ukafrolista, and today we will be creating this dark vampy glam zombie look using some new products from Makeup Obsession to celebrate Halloween. All the products that I'll be using in today's video will be available in store from the 9th of October but are now available at revolutionbeauty.com and Boots online. For all details on the products I'll be using, make sure you hit the description box down below. Before we get into this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you never miss a video from Makeup Obsession. This look is very easy and simple to achieve. This is for the person that's not too sure on what look you want to do. Maybe you don't want to go all out for Halloween, you don't want to buy a whole costume, you just want to really focus on the makeup. Then this is very simple and easy to achieve. I call it like a dark vampy zombie kind of look because of the colors that I've used within the eyeshadow look and then the hits of blood, because I feel like this is what a zombie would be giving you, and I've kept it quite dark and vampy. I'll be working from two different eyeshadow palettes today, the Take It to the Grave palette and the Creep It Real palette, which both feature 10 amazing eyeshadow shades. I really love these palettes. I'll also be using the If You Got It, On It palette. This is the face paint palette and it features 8 different face paint shades. So I've applied my foundation base. I'm now going to start on my eyebrows and eye area. Because we're going for a dark vampy look, I really want to exaggerate my eyebrows. So I'm going to fill them in and really darken them up so they're very bold and just bam, they're here. I'm using the Makeup Obsession Brow Goals in the shade Dark Brown. Line the brows as I usually would, but I'm going to take them that step further to make them exaggerated. So I'm just going to keep going till I get to that really bold fierce brow. I'm going to take the If You Got It Flaunt It palette and take the black shade, and we're going to amp these brows up even more. Bold brow. So it was really hard to decide between the two palettes into which look I should go for. I think I'm going to do most of my look using the Creep It Real palette because I love the dark plum purple shades in this and the pop of pink. Might use some of the colors from the Take It to the Grave palette, I'm not too sure, but I'm going to start off with this palette first. So I'm going to go for a deep, sultry, smoky, dark eye, and I'm going to start with the color Fright, which is this dark, plummy, brownish tone. Put that in my crease but extend it up until about here on my eyebrow bone. Take a fluffy brush and just blend it out a bit so it's not so harsh. I'm then going to apply Horror, which is the black eyeshadow in the palette, and this is going to go on the outer corners. We're going to smoke it out again. One of the fun things that I love about doing like Halloween makeup is that it doesn't have to be perfect, because it's all about just expression and doing as you wish, so it doesn't matter if like they're not even or whatever. So as I smoke it, I'm gonna bring it into the inner of my eyes. I'm gonna move to this brown color called Terror. It's gonna work as a base for the shimmers and other colors that I'm gonna apply on top. So I'm just patting that into the lids area. So this is when I feel like I want to go into Take Me to the Grave palette and use some of the colours from there, because I love the colour tones in this palette as well. I'm going to go for the shade Deceased, just on the outer area here. And now I'm going to go into the shade Graveyard, just on the inner of the lid. Shade Undead, and I might mix this actually with the shade Tombstone because I like the shade of green. Very subtle shimmer shade, which I'm going to put all over the lid because it gives me a bit of a holographic vibe. So when you move with the light, it will give you different colours. I really like this shade. Now I'm going to take the shade Tombstone and put that on the inner corner. Before I finish off the eyeshadow look, I'm gonna conceal under my eyes, and I'm using Makeup Obsession Mega Conceal in the shade 15 and 14. So I use 15 to conceal and 14 to highlight. I'm gonna set my concealer in place using the Makeup Obsession Pure Bake Banana Baking Powder. So now I've done my concealer, I'm going to smoke out my under eyes using a mixture of the shades Horror and Bright from the Creep It Real palette. So as I'm smoking it out, I'm leaving more of the concentrated colour by the waterline, but just kind of fading out the colour. And this gives you more of like a vampy look, I feel, than having it all nice and tight. Just brushing out the brows because I kind of want to reshape them. As I was creating this eye look, I just felt like they didn't really give me the look I needed. So I'm just brushing all of the pigment up and then just reshape the brows. So now onto contouring. I'm gonna use the Makeup Obsession Mega Conceal Concealer in the shade 17. So that is my contour done. It looks like I'm so ill, which means we're onto good things because we're supposed to look slightly dead. So I have 3 lip shades to choose from, which are from the Kiss of Death range. I have the shade Zombie, Vampire and Werewolf, and I'm going to do a mix of all 3. So I'm going to outline my lips with Zombie and then do a mix of Werewolf and Vampire on my lips. Now the lips are completed, we're gonna have some fun with some fake blood. Is a Halloween look really complete if you don't have some fake blood? So I'm gonna apply the Ghost Stories liquid latex to the places that I want the blood to be. So I'm gonna use a cotton bud and just apply it. And then I'm going to apply Love Bite, which is the fake blood. Now, when you are using this, be very careful because it may stain your skin. So just keep that in mind when you are applying it. Put some on a cotton pad just so that it makes it easier to apply. And then I'm going to apply it wherever I put the latex. So that is my simple and easy, bloody, vampy, glam zombie look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am in love with the eye look. I think it is very, very dark, but yet sultry, and it really brings a lot of attention to the look, and the blood just kind of brings it all together. It sounds so weird describing it, but I actually really enjoyed the look. Let me know your thoughts down below if you enjoyed this look as well. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. I want to see what looks you guys create using these palettes as well, so make sure you tag Makeup Obsession in all of your content so we can see all of your Halloween look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Before you go, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and until next time guys, bye.